What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. How y'all doing? How is your day going? Yeah, if you watched my last video, you would have noticed that I introduced you guys to um hosting. We use the free hosting sites which you all have access to. I would link the video somewhere in this video. But yeah, this video is going to be really short. I'm trying to upload every day. I'm just testing the strategy and all. So but yeah, we are currently at our client server. We're just going to go to our control panel. Okay, we're logged in. Now I don't know if I showed you guys in the last video, but Softalicious app installer is what you use when you want to install any CMS. So just allow it to load up. So we have already installed WordPress, but I'm going to uninstall it and install it again. So yeah, let's do that. Remove installation. Okay, now we're going to install it. So basically, when you want to install WordPress, all you do is go to your Softalicious, which is under somewhere around File Manager. There you see WordPress. Yes, guys, remember I said okay, we'll do that in this video. So you just install now and fill up the details. So I said we're going to name it stuffs. Did we write a side description? Get all your stuffs. Admin username, I said we'll go admin, cause why not? Then password. If you guys want my password. Alright. Now we'll just wait for it to install. And now congratulations, guys, we have officially created our WordPress website. So yeah, I did it. The video is really short. Thank you guys for watching. Love you all so much. Bye.